Welcome to our channel. If you're facing issues with your Vizio Smart TV apps not working, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, we'll help you troubleshoot and fix this common problem. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Begin by ensuring that your Vizio Smart TV is connected to the internet. You can do this by going to the network settings in the menu. If you're not connected, select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password to reconnect. Step 2. Restart your TV. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many issues. Unplug your Vizio Smart TV from the power outlet, wait for about 10 seconds, and then plug it back in. Turn it on and check if the apps are working. Step 3. Update your TV's firmware. Keeping your TV's firmware up to date can resolve bugs and improve performance. To check for updates, go to Settings, then select System, and finally, check for updates. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Step 4. Reset the apps. If specific apps are still not working, try resetting them. Navigate to the app that's causing issues, highlight it, press the OK button on your remote, and select Remove App. Then, reinstall the app from the Vizio App Store. Step 5. Factory reset your TV. If none of the above steps work, you may need to perform a factory reset. This step will erase all settings and data on your TV, so proceed with caution. Go to Settings, select System, then Reset and Admin, and choose Factory Reset. Confirm your choice to start the reset process. Step 6. Contact Vizio Support. If you've tried all the above steps and your apps are still not working, it may be time to reach out to Vizio customer support for further assistance. They can guide you through more advanced troubleshooting. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has helped you resolve your Vizio Smart TV app issues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and tutorials.